What are your top 3 oils for puppies and why? Oh my gosh, there's so many good ones. My top 3 would probably be Balance, the grounding blend. Why? Because it is good for everything. It's very calming and it has frankincense in it. And so it's a good way to get some kind of more expensive oils in a pre-diluted awesome blend. I probably, after that, would choose Copaiba because Copaiba supports all of the systems within the body. And my number 3, it kind of depends on what is going on with that particular animal. But if it's a healthy puppy, then I would probably pick a digestive blend simply because puppies are always eating things they're not supposed to. And whenever we have vomiting or diarrhea or all that nasty stuff, people want a really quick fix and you want to have that. A case could be made for a protective blend to support the immune system as well. So that's kind of like my 4th one.